Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to search for items online using Google Lens on POCO X7. So you have two options, either you just can take a picture and then search it with Google Lens, or just go straight into camera, tap here in the top left corner on this like square, run the axis, and now tap open camera, and now you can just take a picture of something. Like let's say I'll take a picture of this plant in front of me, and it's going to show me results online. They're going to be pretty accurate. Or you can go into gallery, tap on the picture that you would like to search for, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner, and tap on Google Lens. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.